if this is gonna get copyrighted, but this song is fucking sick. It's Insane by it's the song. The song is "Don't Do Drugs" by Insane. Welcome to the video, guys. My bad. I know I didn't do an intro yet, but you know, just starting things off. I know I've been in MIA recently. It's a lot that just happened in my personal life within the past month and the Thanksgiving holiday as well. So, excuse me, my apologies. But yeah, no, videos are back again. I say that twice already, but videos are back for sure. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but Turbo is sounding fucking hella sick to this morning. Oh, I say morning, it's already 2 p.m. But yeah. I know I just played this song earlier, but yeah, so today we're going to Micah's house. He has got his oil cooler and oil cooler bracket for his WRX, and I think we're mounting it where his top mount used to be, because he has a front mount in the cooler now. But yeah, I like Micah's build. It's very interesting. I love that he got the oil cooler. He's been having a lot of oil cooling problems anyway, so it's good for him. But yeah, so can't wait to get there. I'm pretty sure they've started already, so I'll try to catch you up with what they've done when I get there. I'm always late. Hell yeah. Nope, I'm gonna go next turn. I don't even know where I'm going. My car is so dirty.
Me too. I don't think I washed it for like a month already.
Dude, look at mine though. Look at this shit. You like this? I lost the head strap, so I have to use the hat clip now. What's up, guys? What's up, Micah?
What's up, bro?
What's up, Brysen? I know. So we're here today. I hope this is fucking recording. Is the red blinking? Is there a red dot blinking?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Like, where's the dot? Like,
Yeah. So today Micah is finally getting his oil cooler set up. No more overheating with your oil. Because you have some high ass temps, bro. There you go.
So we're gonna make it a top mount oil cooler instead of
The way I have mine in the
Yeah.
front. So, and this is different, right, from what I have?
No.
It's the same exact one?
Yeah. Just a different color.
So I have, you guys can see it. I have Mishimoto oil cooler in the front of my car, because that was the easiest place to mount it. But Micah is putting it where his hot mount would go. Hell yeah. And I have not posted a vlog in a month because of, holidays. I was on vacation. Okay. So, what's up, guys? So we're just mocking it up right now. Just not really like putting it like 100%. Just playing around with the fitting and the alignment. Let's see.
Do you have to? Did they say anything about that? I don't think so. I guess it just
Goes over, yeah.
should,
Rubber.
Cover it.
Go.
Cover most of it. Yeah.
It's like it goes all the way here.
Yeah.
It goes all the way
that
here.
side,
Yeah, it's more on this side.
But I mean, it covers like the whole
Yeah, oil cooler.
part.
The whole oil cooler is covered.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Fine.
Are we supposed to angle it more this way?
I
think
think
so.
made it a little bit better, but I mean, it'll
What
do
do
the job.
We could angle it more down, right? No? Okay, not because this one is... Oh, no.
I thought it would feel better than this.
Yeah. I mean, it works though. The application is there.
Yeah. Unless we have it backwards, but I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Honestly, it
Fuck,
looks
it's
the
hot.
Sorry.
No, it's the sun.
Honestly, it looks the same.
So what Brysen did was he just bent the notch back. So this was originally at a 45 to 90 degree angle.
Yeah.
45, I don't know. Math was a long time ago.
What's math?
But yeah, he bent it until 180 degree. Oh yeah, so 90 degrees.
Sir.
Yeah. With the power of friendship, anything is possible. Shit.
Come on, go in the hole.
That's good. Take your time.
I had a hard time too. Should I tighten the bottom one
Maybe.
so it doesn't move?
Oh. We're gonna lose the bolt.
I just take the bolt out. I guess because get the top one for now. I guess.
True. It's not perfectly straight, but application is there. The application
I
is
think
there.
I feel better with that better.
That looks pretty good though, honestly. It's just not straight, but
Not really going for aesthetics
at this point,
At this point,
this is
more
for
functional.
functionality. It'll do the job.
Okay.
It's like when you look at my under tray, it'll do the job. It's there.
It's there, but you know.
Yeah. So this is just to mock it up right now. We still gotta drain all his oil out, hook up the lines, and map the plumbing for all of that. Yeah, so far it's not that bad. It covers the whole oil cooler core fits into the stuff. This is rubber anyway, so not bad. So Micah just drained his oil. Now we're just gonna remove this OEM. What is this called?
Oil filter housing.
Yeah. So what oil filter goes? It's gonna remove the stock one or the OEM one because I don't even know what it's called. And we replace it with the one that Michigan has provided Brysen, Micah. With.
Boom.
Damn, socket ass kit. Jesus Christ, man. So we got the old housing out. Attaching the adapter plate now. So we have that. It's an adapter. This is a sandwich plate or whatever it's called. I don't know anymore. I don't know what anything's called in these days. Mike is gonna. Hey, aren't you fancy?
No.
You get the oil with the funnel. Good dude buggy. That blue one. You know, all kinds of colors now in this engine bit. Bronze, copper looking, gold, red, the Cusco blue. Hell yeah.
What I didn't want, but you know. It is what it is. Sounds about right.
Is it? Oh, it's touching the. Is it touching the belt?
No. Should it? It'll go down.
Okay.
I gotta put the hose clamp.
Okay. It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine.
We're good.
It's fine. We're good. Don't worry about it. It's okay. All right, cool. We did it like for the 100th time. So we're gonna just have it route from one side all the way through. Whew. That actually took a while. Just trying to make sure, safety first, right? Make sure nothing's hitting anything, but we got it. Trial and error. That's really what we do. Right, Micah? Brysen? Let's keep trying. Everything's done. Not really. Well, everything's tightened and in place. Now we're just gonna bleed the coolant. I'll burp the system real quick because we did touch the coolant area of the where the oil filter goes. What did you drop? It.
That's a negative.
The magnet, maybe?
Hey. Hey. That's behind my intercooler.
Oh. Can you get it?
See it?
Yeah, I see it. It's right there. It.
That's a negative.
The magnet, maybe?
Hey. Hey. That's behind my intercooler.
Oh. Can you get it?
See it?
Yeah, I see it. It's right there.